Na pustni torek so naši pubeci premagali v Ljudskem vrtu Aluminij in se uvrstili v četrtfinale našega nogometnega pokala. Na koncu je bil izid 2-0 in tu so najzanimivejši trenutki tega obračuna, medtem ko že odštevamo do večnega derbija.
Yes, it was a very difficult game that we expected this game because they are leading in the second division. They are a good team. They didn't surprise us. We respect the opponent and we expected the difficult game. Yeah, we are waiting now for the derby. Hope a lot of people will come to the stadium and support us.
Ja, vedeli smo, da Aluminij se ne bo predal in to je tudi prav. Tako da prava tekma, dober izpit. Želeli smo, da to tekmo zmagamo in da gremo v četrtfinale.